everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and if you use your KitchenAid a lot to make cake mixes, brownie mixes, and you want an attachment that helps to scoop the edges of your bowl, well, I came across this silicone flex edge beater attachment. Stainless steel full compartment here with a silicone rubbering coating over the entire thing. So when it scrapes the bowl, you're actually scraping and pulling all that dry ingredient into the middle to mix it well. And it goes on just like all your other attachments for your KitchenAid. We can push up and turn and lock in place. And it is going to be tight going down, right? We see there. I want to show you that again. If you look right here, it's tight going down, but that's what we want because this thing is going to spin and hug the edge and get all that batter into the middle to mix it well, pulling in all those dry ingredients to get you a really good solid mix. And then when you pull it back up, your bowl should be clean on the edges and all your batter in the middle. So if you're looking for a silicone beater with a edge scraper, definitely check out this one here.